Ballback basketball return units fit the most popular standard design home rims, having a typical 5-inch wide mounting plate. To install a ballback, tilt and lift the device behind the net, so the hooks straddle the rim mount plate and snap onto the rim. The unit swings freely, facing forward. The original Ballback has shoulders that bottom out against the bent mount. The new Ballback Pro model has longer hooks that span that 5-inch space, where fancy rims have added springs and boxes. So, the Pro fits more rims, hangs lower, bottoms out beneath the mount plate, has a more modern look. Upon ball contact, your ballback swings freely, bottoms out, and kicks the ball back to the court. Your reward: Ballback kicks the ball back to you. Always remove ballback during games or other action. Don't abuse it. Don't dunk. Don't fling violent shots. And don't grab or hang on it. Respect your ballback. Have more shots. More fun. Enjoy.